Hi, Marvin Salcedo here with Salcedo Lawn, and I wanted to take a moment and talk with you about pre-emergence. If you haven't gotten your pre-emergent out, get it out right now. Whether you do it yourself or you hire somebody else to do it, get your pre-emergence out right away. You're gonna miss out on this short window of opportunity that you have to help stop the weeds before they start. Now you say, Marvin, the weeds have already started. You know what? You are absolutely correct. And what we do here at Salcedo Lawn to help with that is we mix a post-emergent with our pre-emergent, and that helps kill the weeds that have already sprouted up, and of course the pre-emergent will help stop the new weeds from sprouting. So if you haven't done your pre-emergent, get it out right away. You're gonna miss out on this wonderful window of opportunity that you have to help stop the weeds before they start. And if you'd like for us to put a quote together, we'd love to put a free quote together for you. Just fill out the form below, and it'll send me all your information. I can put a quote together and get it back to you right away. So hey, let me help you make your lawn the envy of your neighbors. Thank you so much, and y'all have a wonderful day.